Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Kia Soul. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.